Modern processing of the aloe vera plant ensures that the end result is an ingredient that meets the needs of manufacturers who use it in thousands of products, and is also safe for its millions of consumers. It probably comes as no surprise that many plants contain substances that are not safe for consumption. It's why we get warnings to keep some plants away from our children or pets. In the case of the aloe vera plant, that substance is called aloin, an anthraquinone and powerful laxative, which is potentially harmful to humans at high concentrations, but which, during processing, is reduced to a very limited amount that complies with the standards established by authorities such as the International Aloe Science Council. The manufacturing process differs somewhat from company to company, but the end result, safe, high-quality aloe vera products, is the same. Let us show you how that process works at one typical processing facility. Early in the morning, near dawn, workers travel out to the aloe vera fields to a section that has been designated based on annual harvesting information. A specific number of the outermost leaves are trimmed off of the mother aloe vera plant using a very special technique that helps the plant to thrive and minimizes any risk of damage to the plant or the harvested leaves. The leaves are stacked as they go from plant to plant down the row and are then taken to a transport truck. When the truck is full, it goes directly to the manufacturing facility. Typically, a multi-stage wash is used to ensure the leaves are clean and ready for processing. From the primary wash, a conveyor belt carries the now clean leaves into the facility, where a purified water spray rinses any remaining sanitizer from the leaves. Aloe vera processing consists of two similar but not identical processes, one whose end product is aloe vera inner leaf juice, and the other whose end product is aloe vera leaf juice. In both cases, the vast majority of the aloin is removed down to parts per million. Aloe vera inner leaf juice is made using the inner portion of the leaf, which is often called the fillet due to its resemblance to a fish. The tip and the spiky ends of the leaf are clipped off by hand, and then that leaf is transferred to the fillet process, where the rind, the thick green outer skin of the leaf, is removed. Once removed, the rind, which contains most of the aloin content, is transported away to be recycled. Now separated from the rind, the inner fillet drops into a collection area where it goes through a grinder that turns it into a mush. It then goes through a pulp extractor, somewhat like a juicer, and the material is filtered so that the majority of insoluble fiber is removed. At this point, the aloe vera leaves are a semi-refined juice, which is heated up and otherwise treated to make it less viscous. The next step involves adding two processing aids to the juice, activated carbon and diatomaceous earth, for the purpose of further reducing the aloin content. The mix is stirred in a large tank for a specific period of time, after which it passes through a filter press, which, using pressure, creates cakes made of diatomaceous earth and activated charcoal. This traps the anthraquinones, the aloin. The aloe vera processing industry has developed tests, both qualitative and quantitative, to ensure that aloin content has been sufficiently reduced. One qualitative test is the color of the juice. It loses color as aloin-containing compounds are removed, which is why this process is often called decolorization. Quantitatively, at the end of the process, following pasteurization, samples are taken and tested for aloin content. All responsible manufacturers ensure that the levels meet or exceed the standards established by the International Aloe Science Council. Once the aloe vera inner leaf juice has reached this point in the process, preservatives may be added to produce a single-strength finished juice, or it may be further processed depending on the intended end use. Aloe vera juice concentrates are made by rapid removal of some of the water via various technologies, or the water may be removed to make an aloe vera inner leaf powder. Now, remember we said that there are some differences in the processing of aloe vera inner leaf juice versus aloe vera leaf juice? For the aloe vera leaf juice, which is made using the entire leaf, everything in the process is the same except for the part where the rind is removed. Instead, the entire leaf is ground into mush. The rest of the process, which removes the vast majority of the aloe content, is the same. Aloe vera leaf and inner leaf juice in powders can be found in a wide variety of products, from cosmetics and personal care items such as suntan and aftercare lotions and tissues, to drinks, dietary supplements, and food items. Aloe vera has even recently been found in mattresses and some clothing items. When it comes to eating or drinking aloe vera, consumers should keep in mind that responsible marketers of aloe vera products will vastly remove the aloe, and they can trust those with the IASC certification seal have been analytically tested to ensure they meet the IASC standard for aloe content. Seen or unseen, aloe vera produced according to the IASC's high standards will continue to enrich the experience of American consumers.